Hi there, Mike is here from Mike's online business site. And today I'll be talking about the keyword research tool called Jaaxy. Now you might be wondering how much does Jaaxy cost and how to use Jaaxy. Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Jaaxy, what the metrics means inside, and also we'll be talking a bit also about the pricing. First of all, let me tell you that Jaaxy is a keyword research tool that has been around for more than a decade. And it has been even recognized by Brian Dean, the founder of the website Backlinko. As you can see in the 17 best free and paid research tools for SEO, there is even Jaaxy. Jaaxy is a great keyword research tool that helps you to rank your content well within the search engines, whether it concerns Google, Yahoo, Bing, or DuckDuckGo, and even YouTube. So let's get to the numbers. I don't want to overwhelm you with all of these numbers and features because I remember when I started to use Jaaxy, I was a bit confused and I didn't know what these numbers mean. So I will try to keep this as simple as possible so you will be able to understand basically what those numbers means, and in theory you will be able to use the Jaaxy tool effectively. So let's say I'm in a furniture niche. And since I'm starting with a new website that has no authority, my goal is to try to rank for keywords that are so-called long-hanging fruit keywords. In other words, those are the keywords that other websites don't use it that often, but at the same time, I want to get some traffic. If I type into the Jaaxy tables, I see some numbers over here, and these numbers, they are specifically talking about the amount of traffic that I might get and also the competition that this very keyword has. In other words, how many other websites use this same keyword. And the first column, the average, that means how many searches are there per month. So how many people search for this term table. KQI, that's the keyword quality indicator, tells us whether to go for such keyword or not. Poor obviously means that it's not a good idea. So let's be a bit more specific. Let's do coffee tables. In case you're using the light version of Jaaxy, you would have to get some metrics manually, specifically this QSR, that's the competition. And we see that the coffee tables still has a high competition, meaning there are 254 websites that ranks for the coffee tables. It's a bit better than the keyword before, but let's be a bit more specific, and we want to go for luxury coffee tables. So the goal is to push the competition down. So luxury coffee tables looks quite good. It even says great. And basically this is the keyword that we can write content around. But there is even better one, and that's the luxury glass coffee tables. So the Jaaxy is not just a keyword research tool, but it also gives you some other suggestions, related keywords that are very similar to your original one. And based on that, we can be even more specific, and that means we can rank even better with our new website. What is also good about this tool is that we can arrange the competition by clicking at the arrow over here. Coffee table luxury, that doesn't make sense. But over here, luxury coffee tables sale, luxury glass coffee tables. This one is pretty good, meaning that there are only 24 websites that use these primary keywords, and yet there are still a good amount of people that search for this very term. So you want to have like low QSR and a bit high average. And someone can complain saying that 11 visits per month, it's a low traffic. That's true. But imagine that your content will have at least 1,000 words. Out of 1,000 words, there will be many words or similar keywords that will also rank in the search engines. So this is just your primary keywords. Your primary keyword means that that's the specific subject you want to create a content around, and within that content you'll have dozens keywords that are very similar to this one. And Google and other search engines, they will recognize that you're talking about the luxury glass coffee tables and content related to these specific keywords, and search engines will take into consideration also these keywords. So imagine you have these primary keywords plus, let's say, 10 other secondary keywords. That's about a dozen of keywords that your article tries to rank for, and that's only one article. Imagine you'll have 100 articles times a dozen, that's like 1200 keywords, right? And that's already something. That means that your website will start to rank well, and if you stay focused within your specific niche, believe me, your website will start to rank within a 6 to 8 weeks, and within a 2 to 3 months you can also start to monetize the website. And also in this day and age, you don't have to worry about the manually typing the articles. The features within the Wealthy Affiliate, like the article designer, is gonna help you to create an outline, and also you can edit the outline, and based on that your article can be ready within 2 to 3 minutes because of the AI. Of course, you want to read the article, you want to go through. If there is something you don't like, it's recommended to edit that and only then publish it, because again, the AI, it's just an assistant. It can be the master. You are the master, and the AI, the article designer, is just your assistant. As you see, besides getting some metrics regarding the keyword, we also have the option to see the availability of the domain, meaning if we want to go for a domain name luxuryglasscoffeetables.com, it's available. .net, it's available. If you click on it, you can purchase the domain for about $17 per year. And within the hosting, you also have the privacy, your email, backups, and support. So let's go back to the Jaaxy, and I also want to show you that in here on the right hand side you have some related keywords. That if cheap glass coffee tables, so if you are within the glass coffee tables, besides the luxury ones, you can even write some articles about the cheap glass coffee tables. As we see over here, it won't be too much traffic, but the competition is low, so it might be a good idea to write the content also around this specific keyword. Let me also show you another way how to find out what's the competition regarding this specific keyword. When you Google the specific keyword within the quotation mark, the result within the Google will be only those websites that have this specific term. If you go down here, let's go to third page. So this is the end. If we compare it, it says 29, and here we are on a third page, 21, 22. So it's very similar. In other words, the search results is changing on a daily basis, but this competition matches with the number of results that you get from Google. So I hope this makes sense, otherwise let me know in the comment section. As for the pricing, with a starter you get a 30 keyword search and you get a 20 search results. That's part of the starter membership. If you want to use the Pro, that cost is $49 per month. But let me tell you that as a member of the Wealthy Affiliate that pays $50 per month, the Jaaxy comes automatically as a bonus for free. So besides the training and the support, you also have access to Jaaxy. And also you might ask the question, so what to do when we find the right keywords? Well, that's the part of the SEO training that Wealthy Affiliate offers. And it's great for the beginners who want to become online business owners or affiliate marketers. But in summary, the primary keyword go to the SEO title, SEO description. It has to be part of the title of the article, and it's supposed to be also in the beginning of the article, let's say within 100 or 150 characters. And that's it. You don't have to use the keywords anywhere else, because as you will create the content around the keyword, naturally you will be using very similar keywords. I hope you find this interesting. And let me also show you that while going to Wealthy Affiliate homepage, you can start search for an idea right at the homepage. So if I go to coffee tables and you hit enter, it searches for the idea, and you have here some opportunities that you can grab, you can choose. You need to sign up, and as a premium member you have the access to Jaaxy and to the training. You can follow the step-by-step training, and by leveraging the Jaaxy and the article designer within the platform, you can start create content on a daily basis, and it doesn't have to take more than 1 to 2 hours. to come up with one article, including the research. If you want to put more effort on it, you are very welcome. And you can even create 2 articles per day if you really want to monetize the website as soon as possible. So that's it. I hope you find this helpful. If you want to know more, let me know in the comment section below, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.